boiler gauge glass blowdown. The objective of this video is to cover the following subjects and requirements. 1. DKM 40183 Steam Engineering. 2. DKM 50082 Marine Practice Workshop 3. 3. Preparation for STCW oral examination for officer in charge of an engineering watch, WKE 750 kW or more. 4. Preparation for boilerman examination conducted by Department of Safety and Health, DOSH. Course Learning Outcome, CLO. Students should be able to explain the construction and operation of steam plant machineries and mountings. Principle of marine boiler. The marine boiler works on a simple principle of changing the state of water from liquid to vapor using heat energy. The water is boiled in enclosed pressure vessels so that the steam produced is not lost to the atmosphere. The heating source is enclosed in insulated furnace to ensure that heat energy is primarily transferred to the water and not to the surrounding area. Different types of boilers are used on ships depending on their size and type. Purpose of a blowdown gauge glass. The main purpose of a blowdown is to remove any blockage within the water or steam pipework that connects the boiler to the gauge glass. The boiler gauge glass blowdown procedure as follows. Step 1. Shut the steam valve. Step 2. Shut the waterside valve. Step 3. Open the drain valve. Make sure all water inside the side glass is clear. Step 4. Open the steam valve for 20 seconds. Make sure the steam comes out of the drain line and shut back the steam valve. Step 5. Open the water valve for 20 seconds. Make sure water comes out of the drain line and shut back the water valve. Step 6. Shut the drain valve. Step 7. Slowly open the water valve and monitor water fill up inside gauge glass. Step 8. Slowly open the steam valve and monitor the water level is same as inside the boiler. This video is produced for the benefits as follows. 1. Marine engineering student. 2. Marine engineer. 3. Steam engineer. 4. Boilerman. 5. Lecturer. 6. Boiler instructor. This syllabus covers the requirement of the STCW Code, Chapter 3, Section A-3/1. This functional element provides the detailed knowledge to support the training outcomes related to marine engineering at the operational level.